Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Naturally Cookie here with another soul food video. I have something simple today. We're making ground beef patties smothered in onion gravy over rice. I have 1 medium pack of ground chuck here. I'm going to go on ahead and get my nature seasoning and season my patties. All right, I have 1 copper pan here with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once again, my patties I've already seasoned with my nature seasoning. I put the seasoned salt in the inside as well as dusted on the outside of my patties. I'm going to sear that in my frying pan. All right, so let me explain to you the reason why I put olive oil in my frying pan. I know a lot of people is going to say, oh, well, ground beef makes its own grease. It does. Ground beef does make its own grease. However, the olive oil will soak up into my patties and it will hurry up and give me a nice crisp on the outside while I can let it continue to cook. Once I get finished making my gravy and I smother it in my gravy, my patties will continue to cook, but I'll still have that nice sear on the outside of my patties, and it will be juicy in the inside because the natural fat that's inside of the ground beef will continue to cook out while the olive oil will eventually soak up into my patties. And this is what I mean by that nice sear on the outside of the patties there when I flip those over. And now you can see that the natural grease that was inside of the ground beef, or should I say the fat, has already cooked out. The olive oil has soaked it up inside of my patties. All right, here I have 3 bags of rice. I'm going to cook that for 15 to 20 minutes. And now I'm going to start on my gravy. I have a casting pan here that I've already put 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I'm going to place my sliced onions and let those start to brown, and I'm going to add 3 cups of water to that hot pan. All right, after adding my 3 cups of water to my casting pan, I'm going to put approximately 2 tablespoons of browning sauce to that water. I'm going to give it a good mix to make sure that it doesn't start sticking to the bottom of the casting iron. Next, I'm going to place 2 teaspoons of minced garlic to that casting iron. Now I'm going to place my patties back into my gravy. I'm going to place some more fresh onions, sliced onions, over the top of my patties. I like to put onions in at the end to give that nice onion flavor to your gravy. When you put the onions in at the beginning, you'll have a slight onion taste, but if you add more fresh onions at the end of your gravy, and the hot gravy will continue to cook those onions, it will release a more strong onion flavor, and that's how you get your onion gravy. After placing my onions, I'm going to go ahead and give that a nice stir. Making sure that my patties is covered in the gravy. Making sure that my pan is not sticking. And that my gravy is not burning. I've already removed my 3 bags of rice from the water, strained it, and here you have your finished product. Nice, dark, rich gravy, caramelized onions over nice, pretty white rice. I hope you liked that video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Share this with your family and friends. And until next time, everyone, please stay blessed.